This is a 4-round shadow boxing workout. If you are a beginner, then this workout is for you. Let's go. All right, we've got 3 minutes per round where we're gonna do some basic boxing combinations. We're gonna follow up the rounds with 30 seconds of rest in between and of course a bonus at the end. Before we begin, let's start with a little warm up. First, let's begin with the stance. If you are a righty, you're gonna step back with that right foot, lead with the left leg. If you are a lefty, you're gonna do the exact opposite. Lead with the right, left foot stands back. All right, let's bounce it out a little bit. Get comfortable distributing your weight between the forward foot and the back foot, and let's start with the first punch, which is your jab. So we're gonna extend that hands all the way out, nice little turn. Now we're about to switch it up to the cross. This is your second punch. Notice the elbows don't flare out. They come right back to the midline of the body. Those hands are up by the cheekbones. Nice. Let's practice the 1-2, which is your jab cross. Keep it continuous. Notice that I'm not standing too tall. We are shifting off of the midline, right? So we're swaying a little bit as we punch, distributing that weight. All right. Third punch is your lead hook. You want to turn and pivot. Notice that heel coming up. This is a nice way to, especially when we're beginning, to teach our bodies how to rotate. Now the rear hook, which is your 4. Again, turning that body over, allowing the hip to drive those punches. Now let's go 3 and 4. Again, shifting the weight left to right, right to left. Elbows come back. Imagine you've got a table. You are sliding those elbows across the table. Finally, we've got our 5th punch, which is our lead uppercut. And you guessed it, number 6 will be the rear uppercut. So let's go ahead with the 6 right now. These uppercuts are shooting up the middle. Imagine 2 beams coming down from the sky to the ground. That uppercut is in between those 2 beams. Now let's go ahead and throw both arms. Again, we are not isolating, the whole body is moving. Good. Now defense, slip it left to right. You want to slip forward and side to side. Forward and side to side. We don't lean back, we want to stay grounded. Bob and weave, we're just rolling underneath, left to right, right to left. Keeping those hands up as well. That's it, elbows are in nice and tight. Let's add some direction here where we roll underneath and we add some space. We roll it out by stepping out with it. This is gonna come in handy when a punch comes at you and you wanna change up your angles. Let's take it up and back. So now we're traveling that roll up. We travel that roll back. Perfect, let's duck, sit into the seat. Sometimes you call this a dip, I call it a duck. Just want to kind of sit down almost like into a boxer squat. All right, I think we are ready to go. So go ahead, bounce it out. Don't worry, we're gonna move slow enough where you'll get those punches. It won't be too fast. This is again a beginner's workout. So I want you to treat this as a beginner's workout. All right, get ready, bounce it out, start moving, start pumping up that breath, and here we go. Let's start with the jab. Ding, ding, ding. Jab and move. Again, we're going to work to a nice slower pace. Pop. Step into that jab and move. All of our combinations today are going to be very simple. This is especially for you if you're completely new to boxing. A lot of my workouts on my channel are more intermediate to advanced, so I want you to refer to this one as your beginner's workout, okay? Jab and move. Good. Now we're going to go with the 1-2, which is your jab cross. Boom, boom. Straight down that middle. What I love about boxing is it's a low impact, but it's still an intense workout. So you're going to get that cardio in. You're going to get a full body workout in. And absolutely no jumping. That's the best part. All right, 1-2. Good. Jab cross. Everything is up. We say upstairs, which means to the face. Jab cross to the face. Boom, boom. All right, we turn it to a 1-2-1-2 now. It's 4 punches of literally the same 2 punches. I'm just going to double that up. So it's 1-2-1-2, which is jab cross, jab cross. Good. That's it. That's it. Now, notice how we throw those 4 punches and then we move in between. So we treat this as a combination. You don't want to just go 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. That's usually a drill. This is a combination. Jab, cross, and then you move your head, you move your feet. We are going to be adding on. Here we go. Let's go with the 1-2, 1-2, 3. jab, cross, lead hook. Jab, cross, lead hook. Turning and pivoting, allowing the hips to follow through with that hook. Turn those hands all the way over in the straight punches especially. And everything again is to the head. Boom, 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 bang. Good. Take your time. Good, good, good. All right, let's add another 2, which is jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. My righties, this is left, right, left, right, left, right. My lefties, this is right, left, right, left, right, left. Good job. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Nice work. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Good. That's it. All right, now, this is what I was referring to before, straight punches. This is where we're just going to drill. This is more of conditioning. It's not a boxing combination. We're just conditioning ourselves to throw those hands in the middle, to keep those hands up. If those shoulders begin to burn, that's okay. Just breathe and try to keep those hands up to the best that you can, right? 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We call these straight punches. Stay with me in 3, 2, and 1. Let that go. Perfect. All right, 30 seconds to rest. I want to know how you're doing. Let me know in the comments. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up. I just want to make sure that you're enjoying this type of content. Keep doing this video until you feel comfortable, and then you can always move on to the other videos on my channel where it's a little bit more faster pace. We'll work a little bit harder. Okay, not to say that this isn't hard, but this is on the beginner level, okay? 1. Remember, we all start somewhere. This is a double jab now. I want you to remember, we do all start somewhere. I was at this point at one point in my life where I had to work a little slower in order to get those punches a little crisper. That's why, okay? We work slower in order to teach our bodies how to move as a fighter. Jab, jab, we move in between. Jab, jab, we move in between. That's it. Now we're going to go 1, 1, 4, which is a double jab, rear hook. Okay, we're going to turn those hands over. Notice the pivot from the back. That's the one. Good. Jab, jab, rear hook. Bang, bang, boom. Perfect. Let's do that again. Yup. All right, we are going to add here. We're going to add a lead hook. 1, 1, 4, 3. Jab, jab, back hook, front hook. Okay. Again, noticing the elbows, right? They're not at an angle down. Remember, we're hitting upstairs, which means we're hitting up top to the face. Okay. We want to make sure the elbows, the arms follow through. The energy is generated from the ground up. So the legs drive the torso, drive the shoulders, drive those arms. That's how this works. All right, now we're gonna add a bob and weave for defense. Jab, jab, hook, hook, under, under. Jab, jab, hook, hook, roll it, roll it. Now I am rolling left to right. So going to the left, going to the right as an orthodox fighter. As a lefty southpaw, you're going the opposite way. Either way, you're going under the lead hand and the rear hand. Good. We're going to add a cross. We call this a counter punch. So any punches that follow up after a defensive move is called a counter punch. Basically what you're doing is you're punching, defending yourself, and as soon as you're defending yourself, you're going to punch right back. We like to say, you make them miss, you make them pay. That's how this goes. You make them miss, you make them pay. Good. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to drill now, okay? Let's go with those hooks. Non-stop for conditioning. Hook, hook, hook. Take it across, that's it. Follow through. Good work, champ. That's it. I hope you are enjoying this so far. 15 seconds left. All at the rotation, You got it in 3, 2, and rest. Good job. Nice. Okay, we've got 2 rounds down and 2 more to go. Okay? You're doing wonderful. Stay strong. 15 seconds, as I was mentioning. I want you to keep doing this workout until you feel comfortable with boxing, and then you move on to the next workouts on my channel. All right? Okay, here we go. We're going to go with a jab high, jab low, which means a jab to the head, and now we sit into the seat and jab to the body. Notice the legs being used now. Like a boxer squat, there we go. 1 up top, 1 to the body. Typically here I am just aiming for the face and then aiming straight down to the belly. 1 to the head, 1 to the body. Body shots can contain any target, as long as it's not the face. Okay, so it's anywhere on the body. Now we're gonna add a rear uppercut. So it's 1 to the head, 1 to the body, 6 up top. 6 to the, think chin, nose, forehead. We're assuming that we are right in the middle of our opponent. Like we're staring our opponent directly down in the face. So that uppercut is gonna land either to the chin, the mouth, the nose, the forehead, okay? Good work. Give me that 1, 1, 6. We're about to add on. We're gonna add a lead uppercut. So 1, 1, 6, 5. 2 uppercuts, again, same target. Face, 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 right? Jab to the head, jab to the body. Give me those nice, quick, short uppercuts up top. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Make sure you are extending those hands, okay, and you're reaching the opponent. Make sure that you are not bicep curling when you throw that uppercut, okay? Let's add 2 slips. Boom, boom. You're going to go side to side. Jab, jab, up, up, slip, slip. Good work. Again, that slip is all about leaning forward and to the side, never leaning back, because if we lean back, we will lose our grounding and lose our balance. Jab, jab, up, up, slip, and slip. Good work. Again, jab, jab, up, up, slip, and slip. Let's add on here again. We're going to add 2 punches now because you are getting real good at this. We're going to go with that cross hook. Up, up, slip, slip, cross hook. Good. Again. That's the one. That's the one. Jab, jab, up, up, and cross hook. Again. Keep going. Great work. 10 seconds left. We drill it. We move on to the next round. We drill. Then the bonus. In 3, in 2. All right, just give me those nice uppercuts. Everything up the middle. Boom, boom. Loose shoulders. Loose shoulders are important. You don't want super, super tight shoulders. You want nice and loose so those arms can come up right to where the target is. Up and out, up and out, up and out, up and out, up and out. Good. 10 seconds. Nice. All right, shake it loose. 4th round, babies. 4th round. We got this. How you feeling so far? Drop me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. I'd love, 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 love to know. I know this workout is a little different from the rest of my workouts, but again, this is a beginner's workout, and so I'm going to assume you've never done this before. If you have boxed before and you're doing this workout, just give your all, do your very best, okay? All right, let's start. 4th round with the 3-2, the hook and the cross. That's it. Again, in this round, we're starting with those punches to the head. All right, boom, boom. I hope by this time you're starting to feel a little bit more comfortable throwing those punches. Right, boom, boom. Give me that nice rotation. Pop, pop. Yes, that's it, champ. Let's go. We're gonna add on here. We're gonna go 3-2 slip towards the rear side. Again, this is a side to side motion. Right, we're just slipping once now towards the rear side. Boom, boom, slip. Good. And we're not slipping back, meaning we are not trying to lean back. We are going to lean to the side and forward. Good, good work, good work. That's the one. That's how it's done. Good. Make sure you're moving in between. We never want to stay still. You throw those punches, you move. Good. Okay, let's go 3-2 slip 4B. What is that? This is a rear hook to the body now. Now we finally introduce some body shots. Boom. There we go. That's not the jab. I know last round we introduced the jab to the body. Now I want you to think a hook to the body that is towards the side of the body. Okay? Side of the body. Not in the middle, but the side. Okay, good. So we typically call this the shovel hook. 3-2 slip, 4B. Now we add 2 more slips to get to the other side. Hook, cross, slip, 4, slip, slip. Okay? Yes, that's it. Keep working at it. Hook, cross, slip, body, slip, slip. Nice. Hook, cross, body, slip, slip. Good. All right, now we're gonna add slip, body, slip, slip, body. All right, so hook, cross up top, slip, body, slip, slip, body. So those 2 slips let you get to the other side. Boom, bang, boom. So with these slips, what are you imagining? You are defending yourself. That means you're probably getting punches thrown at you. So you're throwing the hook cross, you're slipping a jab, you're throwing to the body, you slip and slip again, probably a jab cross, and then you finish with that body shot. Now, full on body shots, you can give me hooks, you can give me uppercuts, boom, boom, boom. I'm kind of going right into the middle here with the slight little uppercuts to the body. Good. That's the one. Keep working at it. Keep working on it. Dig, 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 dig. We've got less than 10 seconds. You are almost done, babies. 3, 2. Let's go with the shoe shine now. These are quick flurries to the body. Let's accelerate that heart rate. Let's burn it up here. That's it. Nice work. Straight punches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Nice work, nice work. Hooks now, hooks, 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 hooks. Now that you're getting comfortable, we're going to pick up that speed a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. And done. We are done. Way to go, champ. You are done, done, done. Way to go, champ. Don't forget to drop me a comment. Give this video a like, thumbs up, share it with anyone and everyone that you know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. Check out what other workouts I have and make sure you hit that bell so you're always notified when the next workout comes out. I can't wait to see you next time. Till then.